To activate an unlocked phone on T-Mobile, start by ensuring your phone is compatible with T-Mobile's network. Check your phone's specifications to confirm it supports T-Mobile's frequency bands. You can visit T-Mobile's website to check compatibility. Next, gather the necessary information and materials. You will need your phone's IMEI number, which can be found in your phone's settings or on the packaging. You will also need to purchase a T-Mobile SIM card, which can be bought online or in store. Once you have your SIM card, insert it into your phone. Make sure the SIM card is properly seated and the phone is turned off. Then, turn on your phone and wait for it to recognize the SIM card. Now, go to T-Mobile's website and click on Activate a device. Follow the prompts to enter your phone's IMEI number and SIM card number. You will also need to create a T-Mobile account or log in to an existing one. After entering the required information, T-Mobile will send a confirmation code to your phone. Enter this code to complete the activation process. Your phone should now be activated and ready to use on T-Mobile's network. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, you can contact T-Mobile customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot any problems and get your phone up and running. It is also important to note that if you are transferring a phone number from another carrier, you will need to contact T-Mobile to initiate the porting process. This can take a few hours to complete, but once it is done, your phone number will be active on your new T-Mobile account. In conclusion, activating an unlocked phone on T-Mobile is a straightforward process that requires some basic information and materials. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can get your phone up and running on T-Mobile's network in no time.